So I had a pretty easy show today. I didn't have much or any cooking to do. And that's because I had some fantastic guests. And you just heard from a guy that I've known for some time, and I'm so proud that he took this step because he's such a talented guy. Richard Atkins, one of the mixologists that would have passed through the show over the years, and he has brought out, as you'd have just heard in his COVID Chronicles, a brand new product. It's a cordial. Sound like I know what I'm talking about, huh? Richard is here, and he has put on his apron and looking all spliffy.
Yeah.
And is going to actually prepare, using his product, his brand new product, in what? You're going to make a drink, right?
I'm going to do a salad dressing for you first.
Oh, so this is going to make a salad dressing as well?
You can do almost anything with it.
So explain what I'm going to see, because there are a number of flavors and so on. Explain what's before us, Richard.
So we have a cordial, similar to a syrup, not the same. Lower sugar content.
Right.
More flavorful, of course. And fantastic for beverages or for food. I'll demonstrate a drink for you a little later, but I want to show you what I can do with this in food first of all.
Okay.
Now, first of all, here I have some soy sauce.
Right.
So you got a little bit of soy.
What are we making? Or this is a surprise?
I'm going to do a dressing for a salad.
A salad dressing. I think you told me.
I'm going to do a Sorrel Infused salad dressing for you.
Using your Sorrel Cordial.
Using the Sorrel Cordial.
That's what I'm seeing across here. This one. That's the Sorrel. Oh, okay.
Let's bring it a little closer.
Right.
So, I'm going to add a little bit of cayenne pepper to this as well. Because I need a little bit of spice.
A little heat.
Right? So, I have some finely chopped garlic here. I don't think I'll use all of that. Nice. Then I have some mayo. A little bit of mayo. And I have some unsweetened, unflavored Greek yogurt.
Wow.
Yes, I am not a chef.
Good stuff, boy.
This is amazing stuff. This is going to become super amazing just now. To this mix now, I am going to add probably about 1 ounce to 2 ounces of the Sorrel Cordial, right? Nice, vibrant, rich color. So diverse you can use it in your food, Joel. So I'll do 2 ounces, right?
Yes, yeah. Can I get a little sniff? I like to sniff.
It is a really nice, intense floral flavor. You're going to enjoy that. All right, so now I'm going to be doing a different style of mixing today. Not this way.
You're not shaking. You're not shaking. Yes. Can you call it stirring? This is.
So with stirring, right? For those of you who are not chefs, you must understand that it is not an arm movement. It's a wrist movement. I have a wonderful salad prepared for you as well, made with some nice fresh romaine lettuce, cucumbers, red onions, some cherry tomatoes as well in there, and I'm going to top that with 2 types of almonds, sliver. So I have regular slivered almonds that I just took from the slivered almonds pack.
Right.
And then I have slivered almonds that I took from the slivered almonds pack that I put in the oven for a bit. So there's 2 different types of crunch. I have the salad close at hand here.
You have a salad in the back there and thing?
But of course, Joel.
What is this?
Yeah. What are you looking at?
Yeah.
Like if you make it.
I know you make that salad.
Yeah, like this you make it. So, yeah, I'll get to see.
Right, you plate them up?
Yeah.
Nice. Right.
Okay, I'll get to the onions.
Some tomatoes, no one. Yes. Right. That's good. All right, thank you.
So yeah, nice I can buy it, And to that, we are now going to add some of this Sorrel Infused Cordial Dressing. I wouldn't overdo it fair.
When you came up with this product, Richard, did you think food? Did you think salad dressings, or were you thinking drink? You were thinking
actually, definitely, because usually I would do cordials for a friend of mine who has a barbecue outlet in Chaguanas, and I do cordials for him for his barbecue joint. He uses it to make signature barbecue sauces.
Wow! So I could even experiment with barbecue sauces.
You can experiment with barbecue sauces. Now, that first forkful you took there was really for you to get into the veg, and in comparison with what is going on with your dressing as well. For the drink, I'm going to use a different flavor cordial. I'm going to use the orange and vanilla.
This is very good. You're actually getting the sorrel coming through nice and it's present, but not overwhelming.
No,
it's very good.
It's a part of the flavor profile, as you shall see.
It's very good, Richard.
Let me snatch this quickly here.
Right.
Grab some ice, and let me show you how simple it is to use this product. Right. So we get some ice. We're talking about if you're home in your kitchen,
right?
You have no kind of mixology or bartending experience whatsoever.
Right.
None.
Right.
None whatsoever. Right.
And you just don't want to drink a beer.
You just don't want to drink a beer. You're feeling bougie today, right? So you see, for instance, you have rum. Rum would be perfect for this. So you start with 1.5 ounces of your rum. That is your standard pour. Internationally, anywhere in the world, that is all you need.
Ounce
right?
and a half.
Ounce and a half, standard, right? So you have 1.5 ounces of that. And this rum actually will pair amazing with the flavor profiles that you will get with the orange and vanilla combination, as well as the flavors that you have there in the salad and the salad dressing.
So this cordial?
This is the orange and vanilla flavored cordial.
Wow.
Right? Now you can go with anything upwards of 1 ounce. In this case, I'll do 2 ounces, just to demonstrate how simple it is to put this together. You don't even need to go to hotel school to learn how to do this. This is your tutorial in less than a minute here. Cover that back up. Add a little stir to that. I'm going to add the remainder of my ice, which is a little on the finer side now. Right? And you want the little chips. And from there, Joel, top with some carbonated water.
Soda.
You could do club soda, you could do
soda,
sparkling water.
Yeah, it's going to frighten me. It's carbonated water. I thought that was something
that
I couldn't afford.
Remember, I can't use chef terminologies because I'm not a chef.
And you just top with soda.
And you just top with soda. And it is complete. Now the option is yours if at the end of it you still want to add a dash of bitters,
right.
If you want to incorporate another cordial, because you can do that as well. You can blend flavors.
I could drizzle some sorrel on top of that.
You could pour some sorrel on top of that.
Right.
And the sorrel and the vanilla actually work amazing together. I wouldn't put any more in the drink because it's already in your salad dressing.
Richard, I just quickly want to tell you, congratulations.
Yes, thank you.
This is something that I think folks at home would be appreciating.
Yeah.
They can call you directly. You want to just drop your socials, drop
everything on social media. You can contact us through the Grassroots Initiative group page on Facebook. You can contact us at Grassroots Initiative on Instagram. You can contact me directly via my Facebook, Richard Humblegard Atkins, or at the Organic Chemist 111 on IG.
Run through the flavors for me while I sip.
So while you sip, what you are sipping there is the orange and vanilla coupled with some aged rum, topped with some soda, right?
Your flavors.
So we already introduced you to the sorrel, which we use here. We have a pineapple and cardamom flavor. We do the orange and vanilla. We occasionally, and we feel the kind of vibes, do a pink lemonade.
A pink lemonade?
Pink lemonade.
Oh my.
And we do a spiced grapefruit. They're all amazing, Joel. You should have them all, you know.
Cheers, Richard.
Cheers, eh?
Cheers,
mate.
Cheers. Richard, congratulations.
Thank you.
Richard Atkins, guys, one of the mixologists that I said has been on this show. And as I said, he shared his story with you today. It's not been an easy time for any of us. It's affected all of us so differently. And I can drink to Richard and congratulate him on a wonderful product. Wishing him all the success.
Thank you very much.
You know you have my support.
Thank you very much.
Oh my goodness.